Jet is fully committed to quality, innovation, and service. Each and every product is designed to empower woodworkers to do more in their craft. That's why Jet is proud to introduce the re-engineered 10 and 12-inch sliding dual-bevel compound miter saws.
Hey, my name is Stevie Essler, and I run an all-female woodworking business in Nashville, Tennessee called Built by Stevie. Today in the shop, we're going to be doing custom doors, and to accomplish this, we're going to be using the Jet miter saw. I'm going to use the miter saw to make 26 16-inch straight butt cuts. I'm also going to make 18 14-inch cuts, as well as 12 13 angled cuts. One of my favorite things about this saw is the smooth control slide while making accurate cuts. Like I said earlier, we're a custom woodworking company, so everything is fit for our clients' houses. To build this hutch, I need to make a lot of straight and angled cuts. And the Jet saw allows me to do that. As a custom furniture maker, we make everything in the shop, but we finish our projects at a client's house. While on site, I'm able to use the included extended fence and support system. So the portability of a miter saw is a huge advantage. It's important that I have accurate and precise cuts while putting everything together for this 7-foot hutch. While using the saw, I'm able to use the comfortable grip handle to cut on the right or the left side while cutting a piece of wood. I'm able to use just my thumb to adjust the miter, which is a huge added benefit. The miter saw was the very first tool I used for my business, and it is still the most used tool in my shop. If you want more information, head over to jettools.com.
Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the Jet 10 and 12-inch sliding dual-bevel compound miter saws are proudly backed by Jet's 3-year warranty. Visit jettools.com to learn more and locate a dealer near you.